All right, hello to everybody. So, guys, we're gonna take a listen to some Bad Company. So, it's been a while since we've listened to some Bad Company. Well, I mean the band. So this one is Seagull. So, first time here. So, guys, let's not waste time. And let's hop right in. This is nice.
Seagull, you fly across the horizon into the misty morning sun. Nobody asks you where you are going. Nobody knows where you're from. Here is a man asking the question, is this really the end of the world? Seagull, you must have known for a long time the shape of things to come. Now you fly through the sky, never asking why.
My
And
goodness.
you fly all around till somebody shoots you down. Na, 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 na. Seagull, you fly.
Guys, I'm gonna say this. Honestly, I was thinking of the shooting part, but as like a joke, I thought like that was like a negative thing coming to mind. Sometimes your mind does things. He actually said that. I'm like, that's why I was like, what is like, yeah. But let me say, this really makes you feel like you're the freaking seagull. I feel like I'm just flying, just hey, you know how birds do it. But it's a very nice song that really it takes you away. It makes you just go with the wind. What a very beautiful song, guy. Well, part of the shooting part, I'm not sure if it had anything to do with a certain time of I'm not sure if there was a time where bird shooting was at highest. Or I'm not too sure because I know a lot of these songs from before. Artists tend to release them based on things that are happening or how people may be feeling a certain time, anxiety, etc. But damn, I gotta say this is very beautiful for sure. Going in my collection, of course. Let's go.
Seagull, you fly across the horizon into the misty morning sun. Nobody asks you where you are going. Nobody knows where you're from. Now you fly through the sky, never asking why. And you fly all around till somebody shoots you down. Seagull, you fly. Seagull, you fly away. And you fly away today. And you fly away tomorrow. And you fly away. Lead me to my sorrow. Seagull, go on and fly.
Guys, something that came to mind now, I'm gonna say this. Um, a band that came to mind after hearing this, I can probably say this band was probably heavily influenced by Bad Company. And what band I'm talking about, guys, fellas, you know the band Five Finger Death Punch? Now, I'm not, I would say I'm the biggest fan. A lot of the songs I've heard of them, a lot of the guitar play I'm hearing in this one, it really resembles a lot of songs that they have. Like, for example, I was singing Blue on Black, the river, don't mean much. I don't know the words, but yeah. That song especially comes to mind, the guitar play. And there are others, for sure, but they don't really come to mind. But yeah, I have to say, I'm pretty sure there are a lot of bands that were influenced by, this band. And this tone, this it has a country tone to it. I'm not sure if you guys will, I'm not sure people will put this in the same league as, country, because if not, I understand. But this song is really something. It really, like, takes you away, and I like this. I really, really like this, guys. Really like this. Let me know what you guys think about this, honestly. For me, the wording, everything was just properly, like, aligned. I have no problem with the song whatsoever. Nothing. Like, the starting to the end, perfect. And this song, now I don't know the year, but of course I can tell that this song was way ahead of its time, because a lot, like I said, a lot of the bands afterwards, a lot of them actually have that certain tone. Do you know the acoustic guitar tone? That sound, yeah, again, Five Finger Death Punch, that's the band that really comes to mind. Again, I don't know all their songs, but yeah, you get a picture. But my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, this was truly amazing. This was a fun time, I have to say. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section for me, please. Damn, I'm going to add this to my collection. Let me know if this song fits you well. I'm pretty sure you guys are okay with this, right? I'm not sure how popular this was to you guys. Not too sure. Not too sure. But damn, I can tell that these songs before really had an impact on you guys. Just by listening to this. I feel like, again, my eyes were closed for, like, what, more than half the song? Anyway, enough of this, guys. Guys, thank you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe. Go follow me on the other channel, please. And I'll see you guys later. Take care.